Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. How has your Memorial Day sale gone? What have you picked up? I made a few small pickups myself going back again today. But let me know in the comments how it's going. Always find it super interesting. But today we're going to do next weekend's free gift. Just before the parking lot sale starts. Free gift weekend. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And this is classic standard free gift with any purchase. Choose one of these three items, 4-pack of the 12-inch by 12-inch microfiber cleaning cloths, or the hardy latex dipped work gloves, medium, large, or extra large, or this is different, this is new, the 2-piece premium screwdriver set from Quinn. Excellent. Excellent option. I haven't seen them give out Quinn. Too many Quinn? I don't think I've seen any Quinn as a free gift. HARBROs, remind me if I'm wrong. So limit 1 coupon per customer per day. This is Friday, May 29th through Sunday, May 31st. Valid in store while supplies last, of course. Coupon must be presented at time of use. Receive 1 free gift from the following items. With any single purchase, cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases. Excludes Inside Track Club memberships, extended service plans, open boxes, gift cards. Other restrictions may apply. And HARBROs, of course, you know the deal. Let's look at what the values are. Starting with Grant's microfiber cleaning cloths, 12-inch by 12-inch. This is the 4-pack. It's currently on instant savings, 25% off. So already $1 off, normally $4, but of course, free is better. So if you happen to be in Harbor Freight that weekend, maybe you can skip getting the instant savings. I mean, instant savings will still be going on, but it's a $4 value normally, $3 right now, 4.8 stars out of 5, 99%. So they are A+. Great little towel, microfiber cloth, perfect for small jobs on polishing up, cleaning. I like these when I detain, I think you meant detail, the inside of my VW. Another reason Harbor Freight is the forefront of savings and value. I agree. Perfect. Great product for the price. Polish my chopper. Great love them. Bought a 2022 Corvette. They work great on them. Yeah, wah, woo, wee, wah. Let's go one day. The HARBROs will do that. Great love them. Great product. Not my first time buying them. So pretty straightforward. Carbon fiber, microfiber cleaning cloths. Free next weekend, $4 value, normally $3 value right now because of instant savings. Then we have the hardy latex dipped work gloves, large at $2, available in medium, large, extra large, and pretty straightforward. $2, no sale, but get them for free. 4.7, 98%, very positive. Look at this. Good fit, flexible, great grip. I cut lots of wood and these are holding up well. Sensitivity and grip are great. Great gloves. These are only reusable up to so many times before they become junk. Then again, better than getting your hands all dirty with gas and oil. Hardier than you think. Bought a pair of these cheap gloves. 2-3 day work parties in Los Padres National Forest doing major brush cleaning. Gnarly scrub oak. Real brutal on any exposed skin. All right, they used them. They used them well. Good quality. I wear these gloves while metal detecting to help protect against cuts from broken glass or other sharp objects. Comfortable and durable. Durable. I work at a shipping company and my gloves usually rip within 2 days. This pair I had for over a week, and they're still together. Great for yard work. Flexible, reliable, good, best, tough gloves. All right, another free gift and another solid choice. $2 value for the hardy gloves, and it was a $4 value for the microfiber towels. But then the item we have not seen before, an item that it hasn't been up. Quinn hasn't put any in the free items, is the premium Quinn screwdriver set 2-piece, $4 value, also going on right now through ITC, 25% off. Precision and durability rolled into one with the magnetic tip screwdrivers from Quinn. Buy with confidence, lifetime guarantee. So get a lifetime guarantee on this premium screwdriver set 2-piece. And we will check out the reviews, 4.8. Stars at a 5.99%. And what is this? That's not Quinn. Getting me hooked. Harbor Freight is getting me hooked on their new product lines. Everything is designed well and easy to read markings. Very nice. Square shank allows me to put a wrench to it when the limited space predicaments. Not too many pictures of these, only a few, but still free 99. $3.99 normally, free for the free gift weekend. And of course, so those are the 3 items. All seem super solid, but what to do in order to get your deal. So one place to start is the dollar days. You buy any item and you'll be able to get your free item. So whether it's the micro spring clamp set, which will still be going on, the rare earth metals, which are always something to be used cleverly, that'd be a decent pickup, $2. Circuit tester for $3. Get the other Hardy nitrile dipped water resistant gloves. So get this pair for 24% off and get your other Hardy gloves free. Premium welding gloves, not the same thing, but similar. I just picked up the microfiber towels for $7, but your choice. Dollar Day is always a great place to start. Or do your normal pickup. If you haven't got one yet, 99 cents on the Harbor Freight bag, 55 pound, 19-gallon double XL bag. We still give a recommendation for the 79-cent pencil. Still well sized, not as well priced. C.H. Hansen, walk out with the pencil. Or if you want the absolute lowest priced item, is going to be the 1-inch chip brush for 59 cents. Or if you're feeling spunky, get the 69-cent 2-inch chip brush, or get a color snap blade utility knife also at 79 cents. But at least you have choice of color, and having a sharp edge in different drawers is always convenient. Even get a 1.5-inch spring clamp from Pittsburgh. But those are the lowest priced items that you can pull the trigger on to get your free item. If you want to spend just over $1, pick up a $2 steel spring clamp, 2-inch steel spring clamp going through the 28th. So that'll be just before the sale. Or the new super coupons will be out by that time, starting the 26th. So you have a couple options of the Pittsburgh 4 3/4-inch long nose pliers, $2, 33% off. Or the bent long nose pliers, 99-cent funnel set 4-piece, only $2. It'll be 50% off. So get that for 99 cents. Get your free gift. $1.99 for the 5 3/4-inch needle nose pliers from Pittsburgh, 33% off. Or maybe some of the big magnets. 81mm round magnet, $4, 33% off. And magnets are always fun. Used to make trailer lights. Needed some magnetic trailer lights. So with 4 of these magnets and $40 Harbor Freight trailer light kit, they made some legit strong magnet. Needed to mount long drill bits. Stargate, no more latch to mess to open the gate. I need to do that. Very strong. Use the magnet to attach the light to my tractor. Works great. Has not fallen off. Great for picking up lost nails and screws in the grass and other ferrous items. Cheap and strong enough to hold tools. Strong magnet. Anyways, those are some ideas for the free gift weekend. Let us know what you pick up or what you'd be picking up next weekend, starting again Friday, May 29th. But I'll leave it at that, Harbros. Again, let me know how your Memorial Day weekend is going. I hope it's going well, and I hope you're spending it with your friends and family. And of course, remembering everyone who has paid and given the ultimate sacrifice in service to our country. And with that, as usual, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.